YouTubers? It's me, Kitty, and today we are going to have some crab legs, mussels, clams, potatoes, eggs, and lobster. Anyhow, okay, so I'm excited about the new year. I have a lot of things planned. I hope that you guys do. These mussels are good. I like the mussels that have like when you go to the Chinese restaurant and it has like the mayo and cheese and stuff on it. That's the best. Eggs. Oh my gosh. I forgot the sauce. Got to be more careful. But you know what? I'm just gonna roll on. These crab legs are alright. I can't believe I forgot the sauce, y'all. I really can't. Dang. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Crab legs are good. Okay. Let's crack into this lobster. Ooh. Hold on. Let me see if I can't break this. Oh gosh, am I doing it right or wrong? Jeez. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I know I'm doing it wrong, y'all. I know. I don't even care. Say what y'all want in the comments. Just go ahead. Ooh. Ah! I got it out, guys. Ooh. It's really. Hold on. Try some eggs. Okay, so let's talk. That's quite all right. Hold on. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Wait. Yes. Eggs are good. I mean, those potatoes are great. You better close your eyes sometimes and just really. Okay. Hold on a minute, y'all. Those potatoes are the bottom. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Wait a minute. Maybe I should open my eyes. Okay. I'm sorry. Wait. I got these potatoes from Sam's Club. The baby potatoes. Like mixed with these and the fresh ripe potatoes, I guess. And they are very lovely. Just imagine if I had some sauce. Like, really. Okay. We're gonna talk in a minute, y'all. Hold on. I'm serious. I'm really serious. I'm gonna talk in a minute. I love crab legs though. I maybe one. Let me try the fresh red potatoes because these are the bomb. I think I like the white potato better. Try some mussels. It's been rather warm the last couple of days. Like yesterday, I walked outside and it was like, I was like, wow, what the hell? What happened in the winter? It was like you didn't have to have a coat on. But I still put my coat on. Because this weather would trick you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And you know what? These little clams are good too. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness. I already did a thumbnail. So this is between 8 minutes and 50 something seconds. You can just edit this out. So you think I'm doing okay?
Yeah.
I'm not talking enough, am I?
No, you're not. I can edit all the parts we were talking out though.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Alright guys, so I think what I really want to talk about is the new year. What do you guys have planned for the new year? Me, really, I just want, well, for starters, I want to expand in my business and do a lot of collabs. I think that'd be cool. And watch from start until the end of the year and see exactly, you know, where I get from, you know, this point until then with everything that I do. And I think everybody should, you know, kind of look at things like that too. Like, you can really look back and be like, oh, shoot, I did it. Yeah, I did it. And be super proud of yourselves. I got this crab from Sam's Club. Got this from an Asian market. And clams and mussels from the Asian market. So, but anywho, yeah. You know, you don't even really have to set a whole bunch of goals for yourself. Just the things that you have going on now, things that you want to get better at. You know, just try and work on those things. You don't have to work on a million things at one time. But even if it's not the start of a new year, just, you know, always be like that. I should have some sauce, guys. I'm telling you. I'm really missing that part. Eggs. Get all of this stuff out. I'm just putting everything inside here. Clams. Potatoes. I love potatoes. Potatoes are so great. Sometimes you ever eat something that was like so good and you had to like lean with it and rock with it. That's when you know it's really good. Mmm. Mm. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. I got me some tea. This is that key tea. But yeah, don't set like a million goals for yourself. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go all over the place. Just, you know, a few mile goals. Don't set something so set them too extreme, like you're gonna go to, like you're making a, like you want to go, you're saying you're going to go to Mars next month or something, on a mission to Mars. Like, you know, realistically, that's not happening. So you know what I mean. These things are good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I have two. Anywho, so the movie The Birdcage. Is it called The Bird Box? Oh. Oh gosh. The Bird Box. I thought that movie was really good. I mean, it's not what everybody is making it out to be. But I thought it was pretty good. It wasn't like a bad movie. I thought the really good part was when the black guy, before he died, he was telling the kids of how, you know, the place where all the kids were running and playing in and everything. And she got mad and told him, you know, why would you say that? Why would you tell them that? And in the end, they really got to see that. So yeah, I thought that part was really cool. Excuse me. I didn't really want the black guy to die, but yeah, he had to save them. So overall, I thought the movie was pretty cool. Let's see. What other movies have I watched lately? Mm, I don't really know. These potatoes are just off the daggone chain. I'm telling you, like for real, for real. That's a lot of food. Can I really do it? Not. This just off the trim. Can you guys hear that car outside of my house? Oh. I love this part also. Like, this part has a lot of meat. For real, for real. I saw this freaking big, lobster. That thing was like huge. It's like $240. I don't think I'll be getting that right now. But that would be an awesome one. To do. Or maybe some octopus. Oh, this one is just so little. But you gotta get the meat out. Like, really. Let's see. I love this part. Okay. So what inspired me to do mukbangs. First of all, I like to eat. Second of all, I follow some great bangers. Bongers. I follow my favorite family, which is Journey of the Joneses. Journey with the Joneses. I love them. Larry, Michelle, and Zari. Catherine. There's another new one. His name is he's very new, but he's like funny. I think he has like maybe how many subscribers does he have? Maybe like 400 or something. Not a lot, but he's like hilarious. If you just sit there and watch his videos, like his name is, I think it's Gilbert Eats. Gilbert Eats, I believe. But it's like really funny. You should go over there and check him out. Because for long, like you'll really be seeing him everywhere. Just popping up on your little little wine thing. Well, I'm not going to be able to eat all of this. Guys, I'm going to end this video because I can't finish this food. So, maybe next time. We'll see what's going to be up next. But if you guys don't mind, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back shortly. Bye.